Hey guys, Coach Rich here. Success is a basic and meaningful concept to almost every person on this earth. A lot of people are very vocal about how they want to succeed in life, but very few actually pay attention to what is the ultimate key to achieving success. This is none other than our mindset. In this video, allow me to explain what mindset truly means, how it is formed, and why it matters in our lives, and what are the best core beliefs to form the proper mindset for content creators. Let's go. According to Google, mindset is defined as an established set of attitudes held by a person, or in Filipino, called pag-iisip. Wikipedia mentions the words assumptions, methods, or notions synonymous with the term. Also, looking at the words mind and set, we're given an idea that mindset requires thinking that is so firmly set or established within a person or a group of people that guides them to continue to adopt or accept prior behaviors. And because of this, it will be rather very difficult to counteract its effects upon analysis or any decision-making processes we may encounter. In my very own interpretation, mindset is a collection of things we believe or assume that influence our actions and their outcomes. It sums up our belief system, feelings, behaviors, way of thinking about all aspects of life like work, money, ourselves, other people, family, relationships, health, life, and the way each area interrelates with one another. Another term that we should be fairly familiar with is core belief. Core beliefs are basic beliefs about ourselves, other people, and the world we live in. These are the things we hold on to, deep, absolute truths that are underneath all of our surface or common thoughts. Example statements that showcase our core beliefs are, life is good or life is unfair, I'm confident or I'm not confident, among many others. Therefore, our mindset consists of several core beliefs, and most people don't realize that our lives are strongly affected by the core beliefs we decide to absorb and keep in our minds. Where the mind goes, our lives will follow. Our mindset dictates the direction of our living. To fully understand how mindset is formed, we need to dive into two things. Number one, our experiences can be positive or negative. Our experiences are composed of past events, lessons learned, and cultural or community influence. Number two, our interpretations of things. These are highly motivated by our unique personalities and moods, inspired as well, of course, by our experiences. The experiences which directly affects our mindset could be a strong one-time event or consistently repetitive. Therefore, they are normal, natural, and unavoidable. What we need to understand is the word mindset, despite being mentioned in so many books and videos nowadays, is more than just a trending word. It is not a new thing. Each and everyone is constantly and has always been developing and living off our mindsets. But most of us are doing it subconsciously. But the more we talk about it and learn about it, it then turns into a conscious effort. Mindset matters because it will influence or affect our actions. Therefore, it will ultimately determine what we do, what we don't do, how we act, and how we react. Consequently, these actions will determine our current and future opportunities, the health of our relationships, and everything else in our lives. One good example of how our core beliefs affect our mindset is the way we approach and deal with money. Some people believe in extremes, either that money is nothing but evil, so they refuse to take any of it despite having any good reason, or that money is everything in life and they end up letting the love for it take over their minds and eventually make a turn for the worst. Either we end up struggling with money or over prioritizing it. Either one will influence not just our relationship with money, but also our relationship with people and our view of the future. Being a content creator is not a walk in the park. We are expected to produce high-quality videos that are helpful, entertaining, or inspiring and worthy to watch. However, we still need to realize that the content we produce is highly influenced by our mindset and core beliefs. All the ideas and beliefs we take in will eventually come out. What we create will always be a byproduct of our inner self. Therefore, we must carefully choose which core beliefs will make up our mindset. Here are some of the core beliefs that us content creators need to adopt in order to keep a healthy mind. In conclusion, we should aim to make our understanding of mindset as basic and meaningful concept as much as a word success it is to us. It is vital to do our part and pay attention to what will make our mindset healthy. A healthy mindset is, beyond doubt, the most important key to go where you want to go and live how you want to live. So this concludes our video on the content creator mindset. How about you? What are the necessary core beliefs that build a proper mindset for content creators? Let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up and share this to anyone who needs it. Once again, it is my pleasure to share useful knowledge with you. Thank you, and see you next time.